What's up, guys? We had a really fun light night last night.
Like
we're in a little bit of recovery mode. We're gonna take it easy for the first hour or so on the drive, but we are headed to Tailed Dragon today. We're gonna do some damn photos. Some damn photos.
Yeah, some really damn photos.
Damn photos. We were actually talking about water dam. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So we can't wait to have you ride along with us, and let's do it. Hey guys, this is Griffin, first rally. Give me your take. What do you think?
A lot of shenanigans.
A lot of shenanigans.
It's fun.
And we learned from our experiences. So the battery didn't charge the camera yesterday. Missed out on a couple good shots, but luckily we have Miller.
Good backup play.
I think we'll be all right.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
But yeah, we're fully charged today, ready to go.
Excited for the Dragon today.
Absolutely, I like the Dragon.
Dude, it's gonna be epic.
We did a trip about a month and a half ago up here, and I missed it. So,
Here we go. Hell yeah.
Round two.
All right, let's do it. I think we're getting in our cars actually. Are we getting in our cars? No, neither. This is kind of a shit show sometimes. Hey guys, we're back at the casino. If you guys remember the first rally we did with CLT Speed, we were just here. It feels like we were just here, and the casino's right in front of us, and it's weird. We're driving past it on a different rally.
Yeah.
Right now, and we're headed towards the Dragon. Pretty cool.
The Dragon should be pretty fun.
Should be pretty fun today.
We're a little foggy. A little foggy this morning, but Dragon should be pretty fun. We got some cool cars we're riding with, so we're definitely running this. We definitely did not run a light just now.
No, we did not. Oh, and
Everybody
definitely
else is.
they did neither behind us.
But yeah, the Dragon should be pretty fun.
It should be pretty fun. Yeah, we're definitely in a haze right now. I think by the time we get to the Dragon, we'll be a little more awake.
Oh, I think so. Sweet.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see you guys there.
Fun, just cruising, man.
Oh my goodness, it's so pretty.
It is so pretty. I thought it was a cop.
All right, Vinny. Look where we are.
Here comes the Dragon.
Here we go. Here we go, baby. We're gonna do some raw footage, guys. So if you like raw sounds of GT, this one's for you. I'm just gonna record. You know the.
Sounds good. And I'll just drive.
That's a tight one for sure.
That's what she said. If I I slow down, it's because I need a second.
All right, all good.
Now I'm all paranoid about cops around every turn.
Yeah.
Let's say, so this is good right here? All right.
All right.
Oh, this is the one. This is the one where I almost ate shit.
Oh, really?
Right up here. Yep. Oh, yeah. Because, I mean, you got to really brake and then get into the turn.
Oh, yeah.
I get so nervous around those blind corners that someone's going to come flying around on a motorcycle.
Yeah.
That's my biggest fear.
Someone got in a corner.
Yep. How beautiful this road is.
It's crazy.
Hey, Miller,
Yeah.
do not pass.
Do not pass. Subaru's like, oh gosh. This is a fun corner too.
I wonder if behind someone doing 15 miles an hour.
The commentary is gonna be great behind this video.
Pull off, dude. Oh, come on.
Thanks, laddie.
Oh, that's a left turn.
Ooh, that didn't sound good.
What was that?
Dip.
Okay, cool.
I see it.
I made your dip, and I take you out of the turn.
So fun.
You know when you talk shit while you play video games?
This is you.
That's how I feel right now. This turn, also.
Yep.
A little early.
Hey, friends. That turn too. It's the wide and the cut.
Oh yeah, a little grunting action. This one.
Tight right, yep. CO6. So much fun.
Hauling ass. Is it gonna pull over for us? Oh,
Yeah, you're good. You always gotta stop for the pictures.
oh shit! Oh, I'm hearing tires.
Here the tires.
Oh, this car feels so fucking good. Oh shit, back end. There, we'll get Killboy.
Oh yeah, long one.
Oh man, that felt good.
What'd you think, man?
That was the most fun I've ever had in the Dragon.
Really?
Hands down. Well, because the other three times I went through was in GT40s. So this time I got to, this is the most modern car I've ever driven through the Dragon.
Wow.
And all I can say is this car felt like it was on rails. I never felt any brake fade. I never felt like we were in trouble. About what, like a third of the way through the Dragon, I really started pushing it hard.
Oh yeah.
And we had a couple other supercars in front of us that waved us by, and that was, dude, I had no idea this was gonna be that awesome.
That's so
I would love to bring this thing back up here again and do that. So,
make it happen.
yeah,
That was fun.
epic, dude. Thank you for riding along with us. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of this footage, because it is absolutely, it's like 70 degrees outside too.
It's perfect weather.
Perfect day. Yeah.
Sweet.
All right.
Well, I think it's about lunchtime, so it's I think we're eating at 129 Hub. So let's see what the hell everybody else did on the Dragon, you know?
Yeah, let's do it. Hey guys, we just ate. Things are amazing. I feel good. You feel good?
I feel great.
Oh, like my adrenaline is like still pumping right now, but I don't think we expected to push as hard as we did. And Miller is a champion, dude, because there are some times where we're like coming out of one of these hairpin turns and the car's immediately like 80, 90, 100 miles an hour up to like the next 15-mile-an-hour turn, and I'm just punching the brakes and flying in. And Miller's just like, oh, hey guys. I'm filming. I was so impressed. So he's got nerves of steel. You can see we got the GT wash that looks great. These guys are amazing. So this is kind of a cool part of a rally is we do these lunch stops, and this happens to be at 129 Hub, which is like in the middle of the mountains. And you can see all the cars around here. I'm sure Miller showed you some stuff, but
Oh yeah.
and now we're getting ready to go to Tennessean for our last stop.
Absolutely. It's been a fun rally. It's been an amazing rally.
This has been incredible. I love Corsa Rally. This is our first Corsa Rally, and this has been epic.
The organization's been awesome. Like the cars are
people.
awesome. Yep, the people.
That's one thing on these rallies, camaraderie is so tight with everybody. I mean, we've met now lifelong friends, almost freaking everybody here, I feel like, and everybody welcomes you with open arms. So just something to think about when you're on your journey and, you know, you're thinking about getting into this world. There's so much more than just, why are you buying an expensive car? It's like, well, you can go buy a shitty car that depreciates, or you can buy something that actually adds value to your life in so many other ways than just being a Ferrari.
Yep.
But you also got to build your life to be able to get here. So
Yep.
we're gonna help you do that. So anyway, stay tuned. Thank you. We'll catch up with you here in a few minutes.
Got a little